Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So in today's video we just got a SIMPSON 3100 PSI 2.3 gallons per minute power washer. It's a gas, and we're gonna do a little unboxing video of it. It has a CRX professional 208cc engine. It's got low oil shutdown, which, I mean, I do think that is a really cool feature, but I don't know if I trust that very much. And it's got a 25-foot hose with 10-inch tires on it, and I don't think there's much more else to say. I mean, you do got the specifications right here. Sorry about the bad lighting, but I'll put that stuff in the description. So it comes with 10W30 4-stroke engine oil. It's 100% synthetic, so basically you just have to pour it into the engine. 25-foot hose that goes from the unit to the gun, 15-inch extension wand, and the actual gun. And this is just a tube that, I suppose it's for, like, if you're using the soap nozzle or something, then you would just put this into a reservoir or something like that, so it'll actually, like, extract the soap out of the container. But I'm not going to be using this because I have a foam cannon that I would probably just use anyways, so we probably won't need this. And last but not least, this is the bag for, that has all the tips and everything, and it's got even these knobs that you got. And these knobs, they're for securing the connection of this handle right here that you would use to, like, move the unit around. These are to just secure the connections to the actual unit, so we'll go ahead and take care of that real quick. So I just got the unit turned around, and this right here is where the oil is. So this is where you would fill the oil at and where you check it as well. So I just checked it because you never know if there's oil in it or not. There is some oil in it, but not enough. I think I heard something about where, like, it's like 4 ounces that it's shipped with, but this bottle, like I said, it has the oil that you need and everything. Alright, so we're going to use a funnel, so just keep that in mind, is that this thing, it's way too angled to the point where if you don't use a funnel, more than half of it's going to basically get everywhere. So make sure to use a funnel. Okay, so I just used the whole bottle of oil in this thing. So now we're gonna check the level just to make sure we didn't, like, overfill it or anything. And I don't know how well you can see that, but it's above center of the cross-hatched area. So we are all set as far as oil is concerned with this thing. Okay, so now that we're all set as far as filling the oil in this thing, we're now going to start connecting the hose and then assembling the wand and all the other stuff that we'll have to worry about on this thing. Alright, so I've got everything all set up here. I've got the hose hooked up to it and everything. And right now I'm just in the process of priming it, just so in that way, you know, you don't run air through the pump. Because what you want to do is you want to just hold with the power washer off, not even running, you want to run water through it so in that way and you want to make it to where it has a steady flow for about 30 seconds. Just so that way the pump doesn't run dry and you don't wear it, because that's what kills these things and makes them have a short lifespan. So to get the longest life out of this, you always want to, it's good practice to just do this first before starting it. And so, you know, obviously there's the fuel tank, and then this is the on-off switch. I haven't even started it yet, but I guess we'll go ahead and try it right now. So yeah, you do want to pull the trigger on the gun right after you shut it off, because then what'll happen is if you don't, pressure will hold in this line and then it will wear the hose out. So always, you know, let all the pressure out. But yeah, this thing's a beast. I mean, I did the siding of our house, and like, I mean, as you can see, it's kind of dirty. And then, so like this is like before, and then this is after right here. And then I did these bricks right here, and that's before and that's after. So, I mean, I wouldn't say like it's the absolute best on the market, but I mean, for 289 bucks, I don't think you could really get any better than this. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.